Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series. Today we'll learn a new eye makeup. First, taken the darkest brown color and depositing it to the outer edges of the eye with the help of smudging brush. As you can see, if you want to see the color, you can reverse the video, take the screenshot. The palette I'm using, that is Pretty All Set UCANBE, and the brushes I'm using, that is the Bellie brushes. Now taken the darkest brown color with the help of blending brush, depositing it over the black color to blend in this color. As you can see, now depositing it over the crease line. Giving more depthness to the color. Now taken the concealer brush and the concealer from the brand Forever 52 with the shade number C0V001. Tell the client to see the terrace. Now you get the guideline. Taken the fine liner brush, draw a cut. Filling all the gaps. Now with the help of transition shade, locking the concealing. Blur out the crease line. Applying the brown eyeshadow. Now taking the pressed white glitter eyeshadow from the palette and applying it over the inner corner, as you can see. Taken the Charm Walk Beauty Ka liquid metallic glitter, applying it over the inner corner with the help of flat applicator. As you can see, here is the look after lashes. Applying the white kajal pencil from the brand Charm Walk Beauty to the lower lash line of the eye. Now with the help of smudging brush, smudge the under eye. Applying the mascara from the brand Maybelline Colossal to the lower lashes of the eye. So you can see here is the final look. Bye bye, take care, we'll meet in next tutorial.